You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to create content that looks like this. This setup only requires 4 items and you can grab all 4 of these items for about $200. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to create high quality content on a budget, this video is for you. Which brings me to essential number 1, something to film with. If this isn't your first time looking up information about content equipment, you might be at the point where you're considering buying a camera. And if that's what you want to do, definitely go for it. I have multiple cameras and I love them. But if you don't have the budget for a camera, what are you going to do? Not create content? You might be surprised to know that this video that you're looking at right now is being filmed on my iPhone. So stop letting people tell you that you need to film with an expensive camera to create high quality content, because you don't. Just use your phone. You already own it and it's technically free because you're not spending any extra money to use it. If you want to know my settings and everything like that, I talked all about that in my previous video. I'm going to have it linked in the description. That way you can watch it after you watch this video. Essential number 2 is a tripod. Sure, you could put your phone on a stack of books or hold it in your hand, but your best bet is to get a tripod. There are plenty of tripod options on Amazon, but this is the one that I'm currently using with my phone right now. I like it because it's easy to use, it's super compact, it's also very versatile, plus it's MagSafe. So if you have an iPhone that's MagSafe compatible, this makes it super easy to mount your phone. If your phone is not MagSafe, you could buy a magnetic ring to put on the back of your phone, or you could just use a tripod like this. It's pretty much the same exact tripod, but this one can hold any phone. Both of these are over 5 feet tall. They both come with Bluetooth remotes, and you can find both of these on Amazon for under $30. So if you want the links, I have them down for you in the description box. Essential number 3 can make or break your content quality, and that essential is lighting. If you want to go the free route, you can always use natural light, but it does come with a couple of cons. First of all, you only have natural light for a certain amount of hours. So if you're trying to film your content at night, you really don't have much to work with. Also, natural lighting can be very inconsistent. If it's raining, you probably won't have much light. And if it's cloudy, you might have light, but it's probably going in and out, which can be very annoying. And these are the reasons why I choose to use artificial light. When it comes to lighting, again, you have plenty of options to choose from, but an affordable light that I recommend is this Mount Dog softbox light. And this is a light that you can get on Amazon for under $50, which is a great price when it comes to good lighting. I've been using this light throughout this entire video, and the main thing that I love about this light is that I only need one, which makes setup super easy. Plus, it comes with a remote. I can use this remote to change the brightness. I can also use this remote to change the color temperature. It just gives you more flexibility when it comes to your setup and what you want it to look like. Now, I do have a small light behind me that I use to make my background a little bit brighter, and this is not included as an essential, but I do want to mention it because it is a part of my video setup. So this right here is the Lume Cube Panel Pro. This is the 2.0 version. I love this thing. It's small, but it makes the biggest difference in my setup. One thing I really like about this is that it's an RGB light, meaning that I can change this to whatever color I want. As you can see, I have it set to this pink color. Now I have it set to blue, and I can do this for any color. Now, when I'm using this, I have it facing the wall, and then I just try to put it right behind me. That way you can't see it. Now, I'll be honest, that little light is pricey. I think I paid about $150 for that light. But the good thing is you can find plenty of lights just like that one for a quarter of the price on Amazon. So you really don't need to get this particular light. If you want the link to it, you know where to find it. But again, there are so many more affordable options on Amazon. Now, essential number 4 wasn't always on my essentials list, but once I got one, I knew I could never go back. Audio quality is often overlooked, but it can really elevate your overall video quality. So essential number 4 is a microphone. And just so you can see how drastic of a difference it makes, I'm gonna unplug my microphone. This is what the audio sounds like straight out of camera. And this is what my microphone sounds like when it's plugged in. The room that I film in has a lot of echo, which you can probably still hear, and I'm working on that. But using this microphone gives me way better audio quality. The microphone that I'm using is the Godox Cube SC. This kit is specifically for mobile devices, and you can grab this for around $100. I like it because it comes with 2 microphones. It's super easy to use, and everything you need comes in this little case. When you're using your microphone, you don't have to hold it like I do, but like I said, this room has a lot of echo, so having it closer to me makes the audio quality a lot better. Now, it does have a magnet on the back, so if you want to clip it to your shirt, you can easily do that, just like this. It also came with this wind muff that, again, you don't have to have it on your microphone, but I just like to have it on here because I feel like it's cute. I do have the white version of this microphone, but I don't believe that they make this anymore. This microphone was actually sent to me like a year or two ago, and every time I look, I never see the white one. I always see it in black. So if you want to get this one, you're probably gonna have to get the black one. As you can see, you don't need a whole studio setup to create high quality content. All you need is a few essentials, and you can grab all 4 that I mentioned for around $200. Again, I have everything that I mentioned in this video linked in the description, so make sure you check that out. Now, if you have all of these tools, but you're still struggling to create high quality content for social media, it's because there's so much more that goes into it than just the gear itself. You actually have to know how to use the gear. You need to know how to edit, how to make your content engaging, and I'll be covering all of that on this channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next upload.